This is the topic name is crop protection using embedded system. These are the group members. So these are the outlines of our project. So basically, the farmer faces lot of issues, and which is make them face various problem like unwanted rain, heavy rainfalls, and overheat suns or spraying pesticides. We are overall using the system which is make farmer which helps farmer to grow healthy and quality crop. These are the problem statement like now these are the days we are facing global warming and adverse effect of the global warming on our crops, heavy rainfall, overheat sun, pest attack, and we can see that the images like spraying pesticides is one of the issue. And these are the motivation in this area of Nashik where the 5,000 sadi were placed to crop the to protect the crops from the overheat suns. So why we can't make a system which protects the overall system or so overall motivation is we are going to create we are develop an innovative solution that utilize embedded system to enhance crop protection practices in agriculture. So farmer deals with the various reasons due to which crops get destroyed from like unwanted heavy rainfall, overheat suns, and various pest attack like locust attack. To make things easy to handle and control all the activity in the farm through the mobile application from any remote location. So we are going to implement this we have been implemented this system. So our goal is to improve the crop yield, reduce losses, and promote the sustainable farming practices. So we go through the various literature survey. These are the literature survey in first paper of conservation of crop and power utilization of rainwater using cellular IoT, in which various IoT and embedded systems are used, have been adopted. In this paper, the rainwater harvesting is done, is main concern of it is like rainwater harvesting, but the power failure may be the issue. In the second paper, they use the third party app like a Telegram for their communication with the farmer. In next paper, they use a solar panel as a battery backup, but there is a no protection from the small pest attack like locust attack in Punjab. That locust attack was happened, so there is a no protection from the small pest attack like locust attack. And the fourth one paper, we it only monitors and control. If farmer is not present, then we cannot control all these things or monitor. If sudden action we need, so we don't get send or get the notification or send the command to the that module to get protected. So this is our system architecture.
So basically, architecture works like first of all, when system is ready, then it detects the rain by using the raindrop sensor, which is used in our system. After that, it checks the soil maturity level of crops. If the moisture level is high and the rain is also detected, so both conditions are get true. At that time, the roof will be covered so that the crops will be safe and there is no any damage in the field. This was the first module of our system. Then second module was sprinkler. We check we first check the field whether mud is there in field or not. If field is filled of mud, then it is not possible to walk in the field for fertilization for crops, and the tractors are also not working in muddy area. So we use sprinkle, which will be easily worked by a single button present on mobile application of farmer, so that we can easily spray the fertilizer to our crops. Then third module was our power supply. As we know that in rural area there is major issue of electricity, so that we are using a solar panel for backup of electricity. So this was the overall flow, and the systems split in various modules. Like then this is algorithm. How exactly the system will work? Basically, when system is get start, it's detect the rain. If the rain is detect, then it's check the soil maturity level. if the soil maturity level is fulfilled of the crop, for we take it for the crops like grapes. So we take soil maturity level for 0.17. So if it is fulfilled, then roof will be get closed, or if it is not fulfilled, then roof will be remain open as it is. Okay, next. Then it is for sprinkler. Basically, sprinkler we use for to pesticide the uh, pesticides, uh, sprinkling the pesticides. If we detect the muddy area in our field, then we use the sprinkle. If it is not there in field, then we use tractors or by hand. Then it is for solar, means backup of electricity. If we face that there is the power failure or anything, so we have the solar system which can easily start the power backup. So these are modules like how the system is get start and exactly what. So this is the roof covering model. So it is just like the system architecture. Next,
So
next.
overall notification is sent to the Android application. It is totally receive the notification and get command to the sprinkler module and roof covering module.
So basically, these are hardware and software we are using in our system. We are basically use Arduino, which for to operate the overall system. Then motors for to control the sprinklers and the roof covering module. Then these are sprinkle to pesticide to spray the pesticides to the crops, various crops. Then these are sensors which are we are using for in our system, like rain sensor to detect the rain and soil moisture sensor to detect the soil maturity level.
This is our registration and login on the Android application. We have created the crop protection using the IoT or embedded system screenshot, and we create a login pages. And this is the dashboard in which we are implemented four module like roof covering one of the module, sprinklers were one of the module, and the data, the which information through the sensor we get, it is rain sensor and moisture sensor. It shows the data. And here we are here is a roof covering status, like if it is open, then it shows the image of the open status, and it is closed, it shows the image of closed status, or a message will be pop up similar to the sprinkler. The current status will be showed, and if the sprinkler have been started, then the starting status will be showed. This is our roof opening and covering structure. The result and conclusion: overall, our crop protection using embedded system is real-time application which is used to monitor and automate, control the farm environment and all the parameters, and collect the sensors data, and say check the condition, and send the notification to the farmer, and get the commands from the farmer. This overall system is.
No, I think there's no question. So thank you
Okay,
so much, ma'am,
okay,
for your
thank you, ma'am.
presentation.